This is the VAVA 2K dual dash cam. It has 2K quality, a front and a back cam, so you can record both the cars in front of you on your dashboard, like a dashboard cam, and yourself, like your passengers and yourself. It also has night vision, so you can see in the dark during night driving, and you can also do parking mode, so if anything happens to your car while it's parked and you're away, it will record it. Alright, so now let's open it. There is a kind of paper that says Smart Made Simple. That's kind of a neat touch. And now inside there is the dash cam. It looks quite compact for a dash cam. It's really sleek and skinny, I would say. Like it's like a tube. And now there is 4 components. First, there is a clicker. The clicker, if you have your camera on and it's connected to the clicker, if you click the clicker, it will automatically take a picture on the camera. Alright, so now on to the next item. I'm just going to put that aside. Next, there is the suction. You can attach this to the camera using magnets, or there's a magnet in the suction cup and the camera. So that way once you put it on, you can stick it to your the front window of your car, and it'll stick on. There's also there's an adapter, so you can plug it into your car and various other apertures or electrical outlets. And here is the wire, so that way you can plug it into your car and power it. There's also the orange wire, so the wire plugs into the car and it gives power, and you can use the orange thingy to put it into the side of the car, so it is not noticeable. Now this is an envelope. Inside there is a gift card for they also have something where you can extend their warranty from 12 months to 24 months. And this is the instruction manual. We're just gonna kind of skip through it and get on to the rest of it. So here we're just reading the manual and seeing how to install it into the car. Alright, now this is the adapter. It's the adapter for cars. It's a car adapter, so you can plug it into your car's electrical outlet and connect the wire for your camera. So that's the thing. And this is alright, so now here is the suction cup. As you can see, it's a suction cup. That's the magnet on the very end, the small cone, at the end of the small cone. There's also the suction cup. It is under a cover right now. Yeah, so we were just removing the sticker and showing it out, and there we go. We're just putting the packaging away. Now onto the dash cam. The dash cam is pretty sleek. It has camera on one side. There's a pause and play and record button. One thing to note is that this will only accept U3 SD cards. It will not accept U1 or U2. We'll show that later and show what happens if you put in a U1 or U3. Alright, so we're plugging it into the adapter, and that will go into the car on the side of the car through like the side of the interior. And here we're just plugging it in so it gets power. We will set it up in the car. So here is the error. It says no card if you have a U1 or U2 card. This is what happened when we put in a U2 or U1 card. If you put in a U3 card, however, it will work and it will record regularly. We have some demos of the card up next. So this is the card you should probably use. This is the recommended by the company. This is the camera from the front. This is how it looks in the car. Inside the car, this is kind of us on the road. We didn't really record at this time. We were gonna do it later. But this is footage. This is inside the car. This is the passenger front, and you can also see the back seats. And this is the front. This is the front footage. You can see in pretty clear quality the front. This is when we were parked, and this is the pier. You can see the rest. Alright, so now that was our review of the VAVA 2K dual cam. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell button.